Did you know? The diverse world of religions in India. Let's explore the rich tapestry of faiths that coexist harmoniously in this incredible nation. First up is Hinduism, the oldest major religion in India. It's a complex belief system with a multitude of deities, rituals, and philosophies. We have Islam, which has a significant presence in India. It emphasizes monotheism and is known for its beautiful mosques and spiritual practices. Christianity also thrives in India. It has a rich history, with diverse denominations, churches, and traditions across the country. Sikhism, originating in Punjab, is another prominent religion. It preaches equality, selflessness, and devotion to one God. Buddhism, born in India, emphasizes enlightenment and compassion. It's famous for its serene monasteries and teachings of Siddhartha Gautama. Jainism, known for nonviolence and asceticism, is another indigenous Indian religion. Its followers lead lives of deep spirituality and minimalism. India is also home to many other religions, such as Zoroastrianism, Baha'i faith, and indigenous tribal beliefs, contributing to its religious diversity. India's religious landscape is a harmonious mosaic, where different faiths coexist, each adding a unique color to the nation's tapestry. It's a testament to the country's unity and diversity. Thanks for joining us on this enlightening journey through India's religions. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights about our diverse world. Until next time.